Shadows where the hunger lurks, desires claw at my soul. A beast that smirks, heart like a furnace burning in pain. A raven's whisper echoes calling my name. Into the abyss, my heart's a sacrifice, screaming for a taste of the devil's vice. Wrapped in the chains of my own need, a venomous kiss is what I plead. Bite me out, taste the fire, let the darkness ignite. Bite me out, with your venom, pierce the still of the night. Bite me out, feel the rush as the shadows entwine. Bite me out, in this dance where the lost souls align. I'm off to the flame, a puppeteer string, dancing on the edge of a life that's unhinged. With every flicker the demons take flight, chasing the thrill in the depths of the night. Let the blood flow like a river of sins, in the grip of desire let the chaos begin. A symphony of screams, a requiem's call. In this carnival of madness I'm ready to fall. Bite me, taste the fire, let the darkness ignite. Bite me, with your venom, pierce the still of the night. Bite me, feel the rush as the shadows entwine. Bite me, in this dance where the lost souls align. Whispers of temptation, serpents in the haze. I'm trapped in the labyrinth of unholy ways. With every heartbeat the shadows conspire. In a world made of ashes, my heart's alive.